Good Cooking. It's your boy Dave. Today we're going to be making some corn. Simple, easy, to the point. It's going to be some oven baked corn. I gotta admit, when Shelly made this the other day, that was the best corn I ever had. I've had corn on the grill, I had corn in the oyama, I had fried corn, I mean all kind of corns. This has been the best. This is simple, easy. All you gotta do is set your oven to 425. Take your corn, dehusk it, take the green stuff off your corn, get all this stuff off the corn, clean it, and then I'm gonna show you the secret. Every time we do a video, it's Tony's Squeaky Toy time. We're gonna start a channel just for Tony. I think Tony needs her own channel. But the secret to the corn, folks, ladies and gentlemen, the secret to the corn is this urban accent seasoning. Shelly showed you a video with the green beans, and I gotta admit, this stuff is delicious. This stuff is good. We got two. The one we used on the corn, the one we used on the green bean recipe was this urban accent buttery garlic and rosemary veggie roaster seasoning blend. Delicious, absolutely delicious. When she did those green beans that day, perfect. She had me dinner a couple days ago and she had did it on the corn. I was like, why didn't you record that? That was fantastic. Hands down, if you try the seasoning, we're not sponsored. We're not sponsored by anybody. Try this seasoning, you gotta pick this up. Shelly, where'd you get this stuff from? Costco. Pick this stuff up, try it on your corn, try it on your green beans. Absolutely delicious, but I'm gonna switch it up. This one I'm gonna try is called balsamic and roasted onion veggie roaster seasoning blend. Oh, this one looks delicious. I don't look that good. She wanted me to try this. So we're going to try this. We're going to put this one on the corn to see how it comes out. But if you want to make it the bomb, use this one. Let's get the green stuff off the corn, get it cleaned up, and then I'm going to show you the secret. After you get your corn ready, throw it in a pan. Line it up with foil. Just like that. Got a little pan, line it up with foil. That's ready. So we're going to take half a stick of butter, put it in a little bowl. So we're going to melt it down just a little bit, just to get it soft. Not going to melt it till it's fully liquid, just to get it soft. And then we're going to dump in a little bit of seasoning. Use as much as you want. Probably going to do about maybe a tablespoon and a half of this stuff just to coat it in there. And we're just going to simply coat around the corn. Coat the corn. Now the butter we use is Vital Farms. Shelly bought this stuff. It's, wow. Girls on Grass? It's not like Girls Go Wild. But it's like a commercial on the box. Raised with respect. Fresh air and sunshine. Freedom to graze. Under the open skies. On American quality farms. Anyway, some good stuff. So let's go ahead and do half a stick of this. Let's throw on some seasoning and I'll show you what we got. Nice and melted. I probably left it in a little bit longer than should, but you still got some chunks in there, some pieces. No, not too bad, and that's fine. That's fine. It really doesn't matter. The reason why I said not all the way down, because you're gonna coat this with the butter and seasoning. You're gonna put it in there for 25 minutes, and then you're gonna save a little bit and coat the top again. So let's go ahead and pour this on there, smooth it all around. This stuff smells delicious. I really like the seasoning. I'm gonna try it on a lot of different other things. But I personally wouldn't have went to Costco to look for seasoning in a box. I would have looked for a container or some type of, cylinder to shake it out, not a box. They come individually packed. I think you get a total of 3 packs and fairly decent size. So some good stuff. So let's finish coating this and get it to the oven. After you coat your corn, set the little remainder that you have left that you're going to coat the top once you take it out to the side. Take some foil, cover the top, smother it. Get it in there, that way everything blends up in the corn. Get it to the oven, 25 minutes, you're ready to rock and roll. Boom, 25 minutes, looking forward to it. I'm gonna show you the results. We're at the halfway mark. It's been about 12 and a half minutes. I'm gonna take the corn, kind of shake it around because it liquefies there with the butter that you put in there. I mean, look, that looks good already. That looks good. It's just like when you have popcorn. It's nothing like some well-drenched, butter, crispy popcorn. And that's what we're going to do with this corn. It's going to be nice, seasoned, buttered corn. Take a look at that. So shake it up in there. Let's go ahead and get it back in there for 12 and a half more minutes. Once again, my apologies for the squeaky noise in the background. Tony really loves that toy. But anyway, I'm ignoring the other stuff in the background. I'm making some delicious salmon in the oyama. I already shared that recipe with you guys. And I'm also making those green bean recipes that my wife had made with that seasoning that turned out fantastic. So I had to follow the instructions from her video on Damn Good Cooking. But while we wait, it's time for some corn facts. Corn, believe it or not, is part of a cereal crop, part of the grass family. So corn is really grass. Corn is some delicious grass. I never thought I would like grass. Usually when I picture grass, it doesn't look too good, you know, cows eat it. It's just, you know, well, corn-fed cows, corned beef. Those cows got it right. Another corn fact, on average, an ear of corn has over 800 kernels and 16 rows. That's a lot. Last fact, I just thought this was kind of fascinating. I don't know, little stuff like that kind of intrigues me. I will be the one that's actually out here looking at each ear of corn until I find out one. But the rows are always going to be an uneven number. It's always going to be an uneven number. So if you ever find one that's an even number, you probably make the Guinness Book of World Records for corn on the cob. Who does that? Who thinks that? I don't know. Let's get back to it. All right, it's time to pull it out. Let's pull out the corn. Take a look at it. Shake it up in there.
That smells good.
Boom, look at that, folks. That is going to be some delicious corn. So we're going to take the little bit of butter we had left over and we're going to just simply coat the top. Knife, break it up. Coat that bad boy just like that. It's almost like a honey. And as soon as it hits the corn, it just breaks right on down. And folks, there you have it. Simple, easy, perfect seasoned corn on the cob straight from the oven. That is perfect. That is fantastic. This is actually Shelly's plate, so I'm not going to take a bite. I want to. But there you have it, guys. I think my beans came out okay. I'll link to that video down there in the description as well. Tony, 1 second, buddy. 1 second. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's your boy Dave signing out till next time. Peace.